Hello, how are you doing this evening?
Hey, doctor. I'm doing all right, just hanging out here. How about you? What's new?
Um, you don't need to know about me. How's your mental health been lately?
Oh, doctor, let's not dive into all that right now, yeah? I'm just trying to keep things chill and not get too into it. Let's just enjoy the evening, all right?
That's fine with me, but you know these sessions are about talking about how your week's been, how is your mental health, that kind of thing. So, would you like to start?
Well, doctor, it's been a bit of a roller coaster. Sometimes I feel like the voices from the TV are trying to tell me something important, and other times it feels like everything is just a blur. The aliens, the monsters, they seem so real. I know it sounds wild, but it's hard to shake the feeling. And yeah, there are moments I think it's schizophrenia, but then I wonder if I'm being teased. Maybe it's all just a trick, you know? It's confusing.
And when these hallucinations come to you, how are you dealing with them?
Well, doctor, just talking to you helps a lot. You're so wise and incredible at what you do. I try to remember your advice and keep myself grounded, you know? I really admire how you handle things, and I hope I can approach life with the same calmness and understanding you have. You truly inspire me.
Indeed, we all have our issues and we all deal with them differently. And glad to hear that you do see a positive side about it.
Yeah, doctor, I guess we all have our ways of dealing with things. But, sometimes it feels like the walls have ears, and I can't help but think there are government officers watching us right now. It's like I can see them right there, just out of the corner of my eye. And those voices, they keep telling you you're not being truthful. It's hard to shake off, and it's getting more intense. I just hope I'm not alone in all this.
I believe that you'll be fine. And even if you're not, deal with that if that comes up.